You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to turn on and off voicemail transcription on your iPhone. First, note that this feature is part of visual voicemail and requires a carrier that supports it. Open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab at the bottom. If you see transcriptions below your voicemail messages, the feature is already on. To turn it off, go to your iPhone settings, tap on phone, scroll down and tap on live voicemail. Toggle the switch for live voicemail to the off position. This will disable the automatic transcription of new voicemails. To turn it back on, simply toggle the same switch on. When live voicemail is on, your iPhone will transcribe voicemails in real time as they are being left, and you can read the text on screen. If you don't see the live voicemail option, your carrier may not support it, or your region may not have the feature. You can also manage notifications for transcriptions in the phone settings under Notifications. Remember, transcriptions are not always 100% accurate but are helpful for screening calls. This feature uses on-device processing for privacy. You can still listen to the audio message by tapping on it. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.